How to add new water heater schedule. Click on water heater. Click on the information button of the device you want to set schedule for. Click on Add or Edit Schedule option. Click on Add New Schedule button. Enter the new schedule name. Select option for repeat once or weekly. Click on OK. Select dusk or dawn option. If dusk or dawn option is not selected, then you have to select the bath time. Water heater will start heating 20 minutes before bath time. Select weekdays for which you want to schedule your device. Click on OK. Now select the water temperature. Click on the Save button to add your new schedule. Your schedule has been created successfully. We are Make in India company.